You avoided everyone today.
I know I did.
Why did you hide?
I felt embarrassed.
About the meeting?
Yes, that moment.
It stayed with you?
All day long.
What hurt most?
The silence after speaking.
Silence can feel loud.
It felt like judgment.
Did they say anything?
Not really.
Then what scared you?
Their faces.
What did you see?
Doubt and confusion.
Or your own fear?
Maybe both.
Be honest now.
I felt exposed.
Exposed how?
Like I was weak.
That is a strong feeling.
It felt very real.
What thought came first?
I am not ready
Not ready for what?
for speaking there.
But you prepared.
Yes, I did prepare.
So what changed?
My confidence dropped.
In one moment?
Yes, just one moment.
That is powerful.
Too powerful sometimes.
Did your voice shake?
Yes, a little.
Did you notice it?
Right away.
Then what happened?
I lost my flow.
And your thoughts?
They disappeared.
Completely gone?
Yes, nothing came.
That feels scary.
It felt terrifying.
Did you want to stop?
Yes, immediately.
Why did you stay?
I forced myself.
That takes effort.
It felt like panic.
But you stayed there.
Yes, barely stayed.
That still matters.
It does not feel like it.
Because you focus failure.
Yes, only failure.
What about effort?
I ignored that
Why ignore it?
because I felt weak.
Weak or human?
Maybe just human.
That changes things.
It feels different.
Say it clearly.
I felt human,
Not broken then.
not completely broken.
That is important.
I still feel ashamed
Why ashamed?
because they saw me struggle.
Everyone struggles sometimes.
Not like that.
What makes it worse?
It happened in public.
Public pressure is heavy.
Yes, very heavy.
Did anyone support you?
My manager helped.
That is something.
Yes, but still.
Still what?
I felt small.
That feeling hurts.
It stayed all day.
Did you replay it?
Again and again.
What part repeated most?
The moment I froze.
That exact second?
Yes, that second.
Why that moment?
Because I lost control.
Control of what?
My mind and voice.
That feels scary.
It really does.
Do you fear tomorrow?
Yes, I do.
What scares you?
Facing them again.
What will they think?
They will remember me.
And judge you?
Yes, I think so.
Or maybe not.
I cannot believe that.
Why not?
Because I remember everything.
You are harder on yourself.
I know that.
So what now?
I feel stuck.
You are not stuck.
It feels like that.
You still have choice.
Choice feels scary.
Which choice scares more?
Trying again tomorrow.
Why that choice?
Because it might repeat.
The same moment again?
Yes, the same fear.
And if it does?
I will feel worse.
Or you might handle better.
I am not sure.
Be honest now.
Okay,
Do you want to try again?
I do want to try.
Say it stronger.
I want to try.
Even with fear?
Even with fear.
Even if you shake.
Even if I shake.
That is important.
It still feels heavy.
Fear feels heavy,
Very heavy sometimes.
but you carried it,
I almost dropped it.
but you did not.
Barely held it.
That still counts.
It did not feel enough.
Enough for who?
For them.
Or for you?
For myself, too.
Let us slow down.
Okay.
What do you fear most?
That moment again.
The freeze moment?
Yes, exactly that.
When everything stops?
Yes, my mind goes blank.
And your body reacts?
My hands shake.
Your voice changes?
It becomes weak.
So you feel exposed,
Very exposed.
like everyone sees it.
Yes, every detail.
But let me ask,
Go ahead.
did they say anything?
No, not really.
Did they attack you?
No.
Then what happened?
I judged myself.
Say that again.
I judged myself.
That is the key.
It feels true.
You created the pressure,
Yes, inside me.
not from them.
Mostly from me.
That changes everything.
It really does.
So tomorrow is different.
How is it different?
You know the truth now
The truth about me?
about your thoughts.
They are not always real.
Exactly.
They feel real, though.
Feeling is not fact,
That is hard to accept.
but you can practice it.
How do I practice?
Start small again.
Small steps again.
Always small steps.
What should I do?
Speak one sentence.
Only one sentence?
Yes, just one.
That feels possible.
If you freeze,
Yes, what then?
pause for a second.
Just pause?
Again, say one word.
Only one word?
Yes, keep it simple.
That removes pressure.
Exactly.
I like that idea.
You do not need perfect.
Perfection hurts me.
It blocks your voice.
Yes, it does.
Let it go tomorrow.
I will try.
Not try, decide.
Okay, I decide.
Say your plan.
I will go tomorrow.
Good.
I will speak once.
Strong start.
If I freeze, I pause.
Good.
Then I say one word.
Keep going.
I will stay there.
That is the key.
I will not run.
That is strength.
It still feels scary,
Fear will stay.
but I will stay too.
That is real growth.
I feel stronger now.
You are stronger.
I see it now.
Say it clearly.
I am stronger.
Again.
I am stronger.
Now believe it.
I will believe it.
Tomorrow will test you.
I am ready.
Not perfect, just ready.
Yes, just ready.
That is enough.
Thank you for this.
You did this.
We did together.
Yes, together.
Tomorrow feels different.
Because you changed.
Yes.